Hello, my name is Isaac Hernandez Campos, and I am from Guatemala, currently specializing on writing music for visual media, also from multimedia installations in general.
Hi, my name is Niamh Nivara and I'm an Irish composer based in London.
I'm Jeff Broadbent, composer for film, television, and video games.
I kind of identify with music, which is emotional, but when I say emotional, I mean this broad, gigantic pool of emotions that we as humans explore in life.
The type of music that inspires me is any music that has kind of a soul to it or an intention, soundtracks, folk music. I suppose my creative process when I was writing this was I sing a lot when I'm composing, so I started with a melody, kind of like seeing where the first main idea takes you and kind of followed that path and tried to think about the sounds of Irish music and then the sounds of kind of a more epic fantasy soundtrack that we were trying to merge and fuse together.
So about the process of making Balaam the Jaguar, it basically started when I discussed this project with the guys of Play and Go, and I mentioned them like I wanted to bring some elements of Mesoamerican culture, which is not easy because at the end what was the music of the Mayans has nothing to do with Western music and with the music that I had to do for this project. I was conscious about that.
For the theme melody, I wanted to use French horns because to me they convey a sense of nobility, a sense of power, and the emotion of the human spirit.
When I was making Saoirse, this track with Play and Go, I was trying to think of what the sound of adventure is for an Irish person or in Ireland, and I kind of was drawn to, I suppose, the mythology and the folklore, the kind of wild, ancient sound, and combine it with my kind of style as a composer or maybe a more modern contemporary take. So I think I was inspired a lot by the Irish kind of folklore and mythology.
I love the full ensemble of an orchestra and the many different instrumental colors and emotional possibilities that can be used with it.
I realized that maybe the perfect animal to do a song about was the jaguar, because the jaguar is a very important animal for the Mayan culture. You know, it's a symbol of respect, leadership, and strength. It felt quite great when I realized that this was an opportunity to share all this. Let me introduce to the world Balaam, the Mayan name of the jaguar. That's how Balaam the Jaguar was born.
I named it Saoirse because Saoirse means freedom, and to me adventure is the epitome of freedom, isn't it? It's all about discovery and finding your path, and the landscape in Ireland is the kind of place that if you had all the time in the world you could roam forever, you know. That's why Saoirse felt right for me. Freedom felt like the correct word for this song.
I really enjoyed composing this music and exploring what adventure feels like to me, and I hope you enjoy listening to it.
You can listen to The Sound of Adventure out now on all streaming platforms.